Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a creative shadow text effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. So here I've already have a blank PowerPoint presentations and I want to make this title and I want to add some shadow effects in its creative shadow text effects. So here before you type in your text, you just need to go to format, and then here on the text fields, just choose whichever color that you like. For example, in this case, I'm gonna use like okay, the red one in here, and then the text outline I'm going to choose black, and then here just type in your text. For example, shadow text, and then to make the shadow more obvious you need to change the font. So you can choose your favorite font, but I'm going to okay, not this one. I'm going to go to home, and then I'm going to choose the font that makes the shadow more obvious. For example, I want to use the okay, so this one's right here. And then next, go to format again, and then find the text effects, and here go to the 3D rotation and choose the oblique one. So I'm going to choose this one's right here, and then right click on the text, and then here go to format text effects, and then this menu will show up pop up, and then here you need to go to the 3D format, and here you can adjust the depth. Okay, I'm going to go with 50, let's say, or you can also make it like not. Okay, I'm going to just 30, and then here you can also change the material like this, and the lightning you can also change it into whatever you like this. And yeah, you can also, I'm going to make it more big. Oops. Like this, and then here is the result. So that is how you can create a creative shadow text effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.